Round 10. Toss-up, chemistry, multiple choice. When 1,3-butadiene is reacted with hydrogen bromide under high temperature, the 1,4 adduct is observed, while the 1,2 adduct is favored under low temperature conditions. Which of the following is not true regarding the mechanism for this reaction? W. The reactions become irreversible at high temperatures. X. The bromide interrupt. Writings.
W.
Is correct. Bonus chemistry short answer. Rank the following 3 degrees of substitution in terms of increasing likelihood of attack in acid-catalyzed epoxide ring opening. 1. Primary. 2. Secondary. 3. Tertiary.
Acid catalyzed, you want, it said increasing, it should be 1, 2, 3.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 2, 1, 3. Toss-up physics, multiple choice. The gyromagnetic ratio of a particle is the ratio of what two quantities? W. Interrupt. Anoop.
Spin and charge.
That is incorrect. And an interrupt. I will reread the question to the other team. Toss-up physics, multiple choice. The gyromagnetic ratio of a particle is the ratio of what two quantities? W. Angular momentum and magnetic field. X. Spin and magnetic moment. Y. G factor and magnetic flux. Z. Magnetic moment and angular momentum. Learner.
Y.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Z. Magnetic moment and angular momentum. Toss-up in biology, multiple choice. Phase 1 Korotkov sounds detected by a sphygmomanometer are used to evaluate which of the following values? W. Diastolic pressure. Interrupt. Writings.
Diastolic pressure.
Can you say that again, please? Closer to your mic.
Diastolic pressure.
I can't. Can you type it? Because I can't distinguish your answer. That is correct. Diastolic sounds a lot like that. So, bonus biology short answer. Classify each of the following 3 molecules as activators or inhibitors of glycolysis. 1. ATP. 2. ADP. 3. AMP.
I don't know about ADP. One is an inhibitor. E is an activator. ADP, where would you get ADP? DP is probably an inhibitor. So I'd say inhibitor,
activator.
Yeah.
All right. Inhibitor, activator.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is inhibitor, activator, activator. Toss up Earth and space, multiple choice. Regulus, the alpha star of Leo, has poles that are significantly brighter than its equator. Which of the following best explains this phenomenon? W. Multiple large gas giants orbit Regulus, obscuring the equatorial plane and leading to darkening. X. Regulus has a very strong quadrupole magnetic field, leading to magnetic darkening of its equator. Y. Regulus spins extremely fast, leading interrupt. Mason.
Y.
Is correct. Bonus Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following rocks is ultrapotassic? W. Lamproite. X. Rhyolite. Y. Dacite. Z. Tonalite.
Wait, what does that even mean? Wait, what were the choices?
Lamprolite, rhyolite, dacite, and I don't know what the last one was.
Tonalite.
Was he asking for like, what did he even say?
Ultrapotassic.
That's, I don't know. I guess rhyolite would have potassium in it, I guess.
What is that?
X.
X.
Do we have anyone keeping the 5 seconds? By the way, that's incorrect. It's W. Lamproite. Is our timekeeper? Okay. Yeah, let's just. Okay, good. Toss up math short answer. Identify all the following 3 sets that are bounded in the real numbers. 1. The set of all integers. 2. The set of all real numbers less than 6. 3. The set of primes less than 6. Anoop.
2, 3.
That is incorrect. Math Cube, would you like to answer?
3 only.
Is correct. Bonus math short answer. The polynomial x to the 2020th power minus 1 is divided by x minus 1 to yield a new polynomial. What is the sum of the cubes of the roots of this new polynomial?
Five seconds.
3.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is -1. Also, is this room locked because people keep joining and leaving?
I'm pretty
Let's
sure
make-
it's locked. Let me check. Permissions. Yeah, no one's allowed to connect to this channel other than Ames.
I heard
and
people going in and going out, but okay. Let's continue.
Huh.
Toss-up energy short answer. The supernova early warning system was established by scientists at Brookhaven National Lab to give advance notice to astronomers in the event of a nearby supernova. It triggers when multiple sites simultaneously detect what extrasolar interrupt writings.
Neutrino.
Is correct. Bonus energy short answer. Los Alamos National Lab scientists are developing epidemiological models to predict the spread of COVID-19 and other diseases. Suppose a new virus emerges with a basic reproduction number of 2.5, meaning that an infected individual will generate an average of 2.5 new cases in a population where all members are susceptible. After being infected, a person recovers and becomes immune to the disease. Assuming a globally interconnected population of 8 billion, how many people will eventually be infected by the virus?
It would most likely be like okay, I'm just gonna go for like 8 divided by 2.5, so like all right, 3.2 billion.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 4.8 billion. Toss-up chemistry short answer. Identify all of the following 3 types of reactions in which chiral catalysts are used. 1. Enantioselective epoxidation. 2. Asymmetric hydrogenation. 3. Evans-Aldol reaction. Writings.
1, 2.
That is incorrect. Learner?
1 only.
That's also incorrect. The correct answer is all. Toss-up physics multiple choice. In position, momentum, phase, space, a simple harmonic oscillator will trace which of the following paths? W. Sinusoid. X. Rectangle. Y. Interrupt. Anoop.
Circle.
That is incorrect. I will reread the question to the other team. Toss-up physics multiple choice. In position, momentum, phase, space, a simple harmonic oscillator will trace which of the following paths? W. Sinusoid. X. Rectangle. Y. Ellipse. Z. Line. Learner.
time.
I recognized them before, so what's your answer?
W.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is Y. Ellipse. Toss-up biology short answer. Beta-mercaptoethanol exhibits high water solubility and low volatility as a result of what functional group? Writings.
Diol.
That is incorrect. Learner? Would you like to answer?
Sulfide.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is hydroxyl. Toss-up Earth and space multiple choice. Nusakan is a spectroscopic binary system in the Corona Borealis constellation. Which of the following statements is not true regarding spectroscopic binaries? W. The Doppler shift of a spectral line is inversely proportional to the radial velocity. X. Most spectroscopic binaries appear as single stars even for very powerful telescopes. Y. When the spectral lines of one star are blue shifted, the
Pause.
spec interrupt. Jacob.
X.
That is incorrect. I will reread the question to the other team. Toss up Earth and space, multiple choice. Nusakan is a spectroscopic binary system in the Corona Borealis constellation. Which of the following statements is not true regarding spectroscopic binaries? W. The Doppler shift of a spectral line is inversely proportional to the radial velocity. X. Most spectroscopic binaries appear as single stars even for very powerful telescopes. Y. When the spectral lines of one star are blue shifted, the spectral lines of the other star are red shifted. Z. Visual spectroscopic binaries are generally much closer to Earth than non-visual spectroscopic binaries. Mason
W.
is correct. Your bonus is visual in Earth and space. Short answer. Shown in the image. Do we have the image? It's just like the real thing. Shown in the image is the periodic oscillation of the NAO. Answer the following two questions regarding the image. 1. The NAO is controlled by pressure differences between which two semi-permanent pressure systems? 2. These pressure differences cause varying strengths in what prevailing wind belt?
You got Mason.
So wind belt, I would say maybe like the trade winds. I don't know about one. I don't
Well,
really.
it's like two cells, right? So why don't we say like Hadley and Farrell or something?
It wouldn't be Hadley because that's too close to the
Oh,
equator.
Wait, I thought I was
So-
supposed to talk. Yeah.
So
Farrell and
maybe
what else?
Feral and Polar, maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
What?
I should
All
remember this.
right. So 1 is feral and polar, and 2 is trade winds.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 1 is Azores high and Icelandic low, and 2 is prevailing westerlies. Yeah, that was tough. Toss up math, multiple choice. For which of the following n do the non-zero integers modulo n not form a group under multiplication? W, 2, x, 3, y, 4, z, 5. Anoop
Why?
is correct. Bonus math short answer. What is the largest integer dollar value that you cannot make with an unlimited supply of $5, $12, and $13 notes?
Do you know the formula, Nope?
No, but I'm just gonna see if I can BS it. Maybe
Pile of numbers.
1743 times 13.
5 seconds.
Just guessing.
506.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 21. Toss up energy short answer. Scientists at Brookhaven National Lab are investigating modified desaturases that can perform dihydroxylation across a double bond in fatty acids. Identify all of the following three combinations of reagents that can be used for dihydroxylation across an alkene. 1. Osmium tetroxide followed by sodium bisulfate and water. 2. Peroxyacetic acid followed by sulfuric acid and water. 3. Dilute sulfuric acid in water. Writings.
1, 2.
Correct. Bonus energy short answer. Researchers at Argonne National Lab are collaborating with scientists at Hokkaido University to study the Venusian atmosphere. Identify all of the following three statements regarding the Venusian atmosphere that are true. 1. The Venusian atmosphere rotates about 60 times as fast as its planetary rotation. 2. The most abundant gas in the Venusian atmosphere is nitrogen. 3. Convectional circulation occurs in large cells that extend from the equator to the poles.
2 is false.
I would guess 1 is true. That just sounds like it's too weird for it not to be true.
Agreed. What we got on 3?
But I feel like the cells would be like
5
wouldn't
seconds.
they be like latitudes? So
Okay, 1 only.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 1 and 3. Toss up in chemistry short answer. Phenol is an industrially important chemical. In the first step of its production, benzene is treated with propene and phosphoric acid to form what intermediate? Writings.
Isopropyl benzene.
That is correct. Bonus chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following reaction conditions will generate the highest yield of conjugate adduct of an alpha-beta unsaturated ketone? Oh, yeah, it's halftime. We'll read this one, and then we'll break for that. W, hard nucleophile, low temperature. X, hard nucleophile, high temperature. Y, soft nucleophile, low temperature. Z, soft nucleophile, high temperature.
I need to think about the temperature. Wait, which one will be the thermodynamic product? Have the C double bond O you don't want to break. C double bond O is stronger than so you want a temperature, I think. I think it's probably Z.
5
All right,
seconds.
Z?
Is correct, and that's the half.